When the Kundalini rises, it makes sounds, and the sounds that are heard in the different chakras can be pronounced in the following way. These pronunciations are being used in the phonetic language of Devanagari, which means the language spoken by the Devas. At the Muladhara, where there are 4 petals, the sounds are V, Sh, S, S, out of which last Sh and S sounds are very close, but the difference is when the snake hisses, it makes this sh, the third sound. So V, Sh, Sh, S. At the Swadhisthana, where there are 6 petals, it makes sounds 6 sounds. A, B, M, Y, R, L. Manipur, it has 10 petals. It makes the sounds D, D, N, T, Th, D, Th, N, P, H. At Anahata, there are 12 petals. It makes the sounds K, K, G, 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 Ch, Ch, J, J, Ng, T, T. At the Vishuddhi, where there are 16 petals, it makes the sounds of all the vowels. A, E, U, R, L, A, I, O, Aha. At the Agya Chakra, it makes H, Sh. At the Sahasrara, one becomes thoughtless and no sound is made, but the pure anahata, meaning the throbbing in the purest form, as in the heart, is of love, 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 love. When all these sounds are sounded together and pass through the spiral of the body, if the body is like a conch, the sound that comes out of the synthesis is oh. Like the 7 colors of the sun ultimately become white rays, or you can say the golden colored rays. There are 3 granthis, means the knots. The Brahma Granthi, the Vishnu Granthi and the Rudra Granthi. With Agni means fire. When the Brahma Granthi meets, between the Kundalini, Muladhara chakra and the Swadhisthana, means Muladhara chakra, Muladhara and Swadhisthana chakra. Then Agni Brahma Granthi is established. Vishnu Granthi, when mixes up with the Surya, that is between the Nabhi and the Hridaya chakra, Surya Vishnu Granthi is established. When Vishuddhi and Agya auras meet, then Chandra Rudra Granthi is established. Altogether, there are 14 nadis. The names are Alambusi, Guru, Vishodari, Varuna, Hastajivva, Yashaswati, Ashwini, Gandhari, Pusha, Shankhini, Saraswati, Ida, Pingala, Sushumna. Apart from two chakras, which are Surya and Chandra, there are 9 other chakras. Mooladhar Chakra, Swadhisthana Chakra, Manipur Chakra, Anahata Chakra, Vishuddhi Chakra, Lambika Chakra. This is also called as Hansaha Chakra. Agya Chakra. Between Agya and Sahasrara there are 2 other sub chakras known as Nad, Bindu. So we have Mooladhar, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi, Lambika, called as Soham, called as Hansa, Agya, Nad, Bindu, Sahasrara. Apart from that, there are 9 chakras on the sides, like Sri Lalita. And they have different yoginis means the powers, the Shaktis, guiding those 9. Shakti Pithas, or you can call them as Avaran, Nama Chakra. The first one is Sri Lalita, the goddess Sri Lalita, which is the goddess of beauty. She is the joy-giving, Sarvanandamaya, gives the joy from everything. In every created world, in every particle, in every form, there is a power which gives us joy. This power is the power of Sri Lalita. She is called as Mahatripura Sundari. Para Para Ati Rahasya Yogini means Para Para Ati Rahasya, the one who knows the secrets the Para means the one that is beyond of the beyond, the secrets of that area. The one who knows is Sri Lalita, who is the yogini. At this stage, she is Bindu Sarvanandamaya. She is the dot which is joy giving. Second power or avaran means the enclosure is like a triangle. She is Sarva Siddhi Prad. She is the one who gives all the siddhis. She has got three sides. She is called as Tripuramba. Kameshwari, Vajreshwari, Bhagamalini are the three yoginis. Third one is called as the Ashtara Sarvarogahara. This is another enclosure. The name of the goddess is Tripura Siddha Ati Rahasya, meaning these goddesses know the deep secrets of all the siddhis. The chakra is called as Sarvarogahara and the enclosure is called as Ashtar. The 8 powers are called as Vagadevata, means the powers of the speech. First is Vashini, means which attracts. Kameshwari, which excites. Modini, which makes you happy. Vimala, which makes you clean. Aruna, which gives you color on the face. Jayani, which gives you a feeling of victory. Sarveshi, which connects you to everyone. Kaulini is the one which gives you boons. The fourth enclosure is called as Antardasha. The chakra of this enclosure is called as Sarva Rakshakar, the one that protects. The goddess is called as Tripura Malini. The powers are Sarvagya, the one which is all-knowing. Sarvashakti is all-powerful. Sarveshwara Prada, the giver of all the bounties. Sarvajnanamai, knower of all the knowledge. Sarvavyadhi Vinashini, the destroyer of all the diseases. Sarvadhara Swarupa, the support of all. Sarvapapahara, the destroyer of all the sins. Sarvanandamani, the one who makes everyone joyous. Sarvarakshaswarupa, the one who protects all of them. Sarvepsit Phalaprada, the giver of all the phalas, means fruits, rewards. The fifth enclosure is called as Bahirdasha Sarvartha Sadhak. Bahirdasha is the name of the enclosure and Sarvartha Sadhak is the chakra's name. Tripurakshi, Tripurashri is the name of the goddess. She has powers. Sarva Siddhi Prada, she gives all the siddhis. Sarva Sampata Prada, she is the one who is giver of all wealth. Sarva Priyankari, she is the one who is beloved of all. Sarva Mangala Karini, she is the one who gives all that is auspicious. Sarva Kama Prada, the one who gives all our desires. Sarva Dukkha Vimochini, the one who is a destroyer of all our pains. Sarva Mrityu Shamani, the one who pacifies the death. Sarva Vigna Nivarini, she is the one who is the remover of all the hurdles. Sarvanga Sundari, the one who makes every side of life happy. Sarva Saubhagyadayini, the one who is the giver of good fortune. The sixth enclosure is known as Chaturdashar Sarva Saubhagya. Tripuravasi is the name of the goddess. Chaturdashar is the name of the enclosure. And the chakra's name is Sarva Saubhagyadaya. The goddess's name is Tripuravasi. The powers are Sarva Sanshobhini, the one who burns off, and Sarva Vibhramini, the one who can perverse. Sarvakarshini, the one which attracts everything. Sarvaladini, the one who is the giver of joy. Sarva Sammohini, the one who can entice all. Sarva Stambhini, the one who makes everyone alerted. Sarva Jabhini, Sarva Vanshakari, the one who is the controller of all. Sarva Ranjani, the one who entertains all. Sarva Unmadini, she is the one who gives all the special joys. Sarvartha Sadhini, the one who gives the meaning of all the things. Sarva Sampati Purani, the one who gives all the well-being. Sarva Mantramai, the one who is residing in all the mantras. Sarva Danda Kshayankari, the one who destroys all the dualities of life. The seventh avaran or enclosure is called as Ashtadala, and the chakra of this avaran is called as Sarva Sanshobhanakara. Here she is called as Tripura Sundari. She is the one who gives the beauty to women to be attractive wives. Ananga Kusumadevi, she smells of many flowers. Ananga Mekhaladevi, who is the solid, like a rock in the family. Ananga Madanadevi, the one who is attractive. Ananga Madanatura Devi, the one who gives desire to meet. Ananga Rekha Devi, the one which draws the different boundaries. Ananga Vegini Devi, the one which gives you speed. Ananga Akusha Devi, the one who gives power of Ankusha, the controlling of man. Ananga Malini Devi, the one which is very gracious. Eighth enclosure is called as Shodashadara. The name of the chakra is Sarvasha Paripurak. The goddess's name is Tripureshwari. She is the one who has got 16 powers. The first is Kama, means the attraction of body. Buddhya is the attraction by brain. Ahankara, attraction by ego. Fourth, Shabda, attraction by words. Fifth is Sparsha, attraction by touch. Sixth, attraction by beauty. Seventh, attraction by aesthetics, rasa. 8th, gandha, attraction by fragrance. 9th, attraction by attention, chitta. 10th, dhairya, attraction by courage. 11th, smrutya, attraction by memory. 12th, nama, attraction by name. 13th is bija, attraction through the seed. 14th, atma, attraction by spirit. 15th is attraction by eternity. 16th, attraction by the form of the body. These are all the attractions which are subtle and are in the goddess, which act in a way that the sadhaka is attracted towards her. The 9th one is called as the Bhupur. Is the enclosure. Why the chakra's name is Trailokya Mohan. Name of the goddess is Tripura. There are 10 powers in this chakra. This first is Sarva Samkshobhini. Sarva Vidravini, Sarvakarshini. These three I have already explained. Sarva Vanshakari, one is also explained. Sarvonmadini, the one who excites everywhere. Sarva Mahankusha, the one who controls. Here the Ankusha means the weapon that is used by the elephant driver. So how he controls the elephant in the same way she controls all. Sarva Khechari, one who attracts all. Sarva Bija, the one who is the seed, Sarva Yoni, the one who exists in all the yonis, and Sarvatikhanda, the one which exists in all the three dimensions. The yoni means the ellipse, which is the power of the mother. Apart from that, there are other goddesses which exist as the yellow light known as Mukta Shaktaya. The mother goddesses are called as Mahendri, Chamunda and Mahalakshmi. The siddhis that people can achieve are Anima, Ladima, Mahima, Ishatva, Vashitva, Prakamya, Bhukti, Ichha, Prapti, Mukti. Anima is to become like a small particle. Ladima is to become small. Mahima is to have a big form. Ishatva is to create gods out of human beings. Vashitva is the attraction. Prakamya is the manifestation. Bhukti is the enjoyment. Fulfillment of desire. Prapti is the attainment. Mukti is the salvation. These are all the siddhis that Sahajogis can have.